Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing Chemistry for SPIES Part 1, making iron Gall ink. So we're going to need some paper, tannin and iron sulfate, a small cotton cylinder, a silicone tube, and a stick. Now we're going to be making a makeshift paintbrush. Take the stick and put the silicone tube onto it so that a little bit of the silicone tube is sticking out. Now we're going to take the small cotton cylinder and put it inside the small hole. After we've created our paintbrush, we're going to take our tannin and carefully apply it to the tip of the paintbrush. After this, all we have to do is draw or write anything we want onto the paper. After waiting a couple of minutes, we can take a regular cotton cylinder and apply the iron sulfate onto it. Now we just take the cylinder and rub it against the paper. As you can see, the word or drawing that we wrote from before will appear. So what did we learn in this experiment? Well, first, we filled the pen with tannin solution because it was non-volatile and rather pale, which is why it was well suited for the role of invisible ink. Tannin doesn't have a very intense color, and a small amount on paper is practically invisible. When we added the iron sulfate to the tannin, it combined and formed a strongly colored compound, allowing you to see the message clearly. Let's go over some history about the things we did in this experiment. The compound of tannin and iron sulfate is actually so good at leaving traces on paper that it has been used as an actual ink for centuries. It's most well known as iron Gall ink, like we said in the beginning of the experiment. The iron part is iron sulfate, a chemical known to humankind since time immemorial. And the Gall part refers to the so-called oak galls, outgrowths of oak trees, provoked by a certain species of wasp. These galls are rich sources of tannins. In fact, tannins are found not only in oak galls, but also in oak bark and leaves, as well as in other plants. One particular plant that contains a lot of tannins is Camellia sinensis, the plant that plain old tea is made from. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.